The most crucial thing is to be considerate of the other members and treat them like family. The character Jang Junwoo isn't a simple villain. He is multidimensional. I wanted to portray Junwoo as someone who breaks out into a song and dance in that situation, an unpredictable villain who doesn't fit into the mold of a serious and scary psychopath. Members that were in their early 20s are now in their mid-30s, so the style of our team should also change. It's not easy to decide what kind of music should be our title song or which direction we should go in. We are glad to be a part of the K-pop boom sweeping Asia and ready to show the music of 2 p.m. to our fans. Not as many idol stars were acting back then, and I had to suffer a lot of criticisms. However, I still did my best because I did not want to miss the chances that I was given. It seems that people view idol stars in a bit different perspective now, and I am going to keep singing and dancing until whenever I can. I wanted the role the moment I learned that the naive legal intern Jang Junwoo is the ultimate villain and the transformative, surprising character in Vincenzo. In portraying Jang Han-suk, I tried to draw upon certain aspects of myself and emphasize expressions of evil from deep within. Song Joong-ki was always considerate of his fellow actors and staff members, and Jeon Yeobin always brought her own energy and charm to all of her scenes. I haven't had the opportunity to play the main axis of evil character before, so Vincenzo serves as another challenge to me. As an actor, I need to convince the audience that the character that I'm playing is real, and the situation that this character is in is also real. There are many things that I've learned through the characters that I've played, but one thing that pops up in my head is always be honest. But the thing is, Chansung and I don't wear any clothing when we sleep. Having promoted a long time, I received love from so many people. When we had concerts in the US, I used to be able to just go, but now I have to stop by the embassy and do an interview to get a visa. I ate a lot because there was a lot to eat at the military. I have learned that Indonesians love ballads, and I also like S212 songs. It's not common for a group to make a comeback after the members leave for a different agency. We want to be successful in places like Europe, US, and in other parts of Asia. That's our goal. Someone told me that it's really difficult to have a cool re-up. When it happens, you can see every face in the house, all the way up to the 3rd floor. I'm feeling a lot of pressure because it is first time for me to cast as the main character. I will do my best so that I won't feel ashamed of myself in the future. I don't get much stress. Yes, I love my life. What's done is done, and what's the point of getting so stressed about things that you cannot change? I'd like to make a sincere lament for the victims of Sichuan earthquake. I will pray for them with all of my heart. The biggest reason for choosing Save Me was the opportunity to work with excellent actors. I'm thankful that I was able to show a better side of me in acting, and I hope that you'll continue to have high expectations for me. Our taste in music has changed over the years, and our thoughts on how we should project ourselves through music has changed as well. We had to think about what the fans and the public would want to see from a grown-up 2PM. Our third album, Grown. On that album, some of us had the opportunity to have hands-on experience into songwriting and production. The project itself taught the members how to create an album ourselves while grabbing guidance from the producers we worked with. It is quite amazing how K-pop has developed over the years. This genre has so many musical components that it has no limitations. I will keep doing my best to show better achievements. It is a great honor for me to work with Cho Young-pil, who is a living legend. Hello and Bounce were my most favorite tracks from his 19th album, and I hope many people in Japan would also enjoy Cho Young-pil's music along with me. I wrote the song I Love You, You Love Me, wishing to have the most fantastic show ever. It is true that my mental age is quite young. We would look quite distinctive from what we were like in our 20s. Back then, we put emphasis on our youth, ambition, and passion. There have always been small anti-Korean movements, and I think it's all due to cultural differences. Those who like 2PM will be able to understand Korean culture more, and their knowledge may be passed down to their children and grandchildren. Previously, I was in a historical drama, so I'm happy to show my romantic act, even though it's short. Though I am not a veteran actor yet, I will do my best based on what I learned from previous experiences.